Can you tell me about the benefits of the ALAVIDA patches and the skincare products?
There's the skincare system, which includes a day cream and a night cream, and also patches. The creams work beautifully on the skin. They're absorbed nicely. They don't sit on the top of the skin like a lot of creams do. They actually get absorbed and really work well on the skin. They're all natural, which is nice. I, for one, have sensitivity to chemicals in creams. If I wear a typical over-the-counter cream, my eyes will water. I just have this reaction to the bizarre chemicals that are in these creams. So this cream doesn't do that. It's all natural, plant-based. And what it also gives your skin is antioxidants, and it helps build collagen. The patches can also regulate hormones, which is great. Also increases mental clarity and focus. And they also can help you get a good night's sleep. That's why many people like myself, I wear them at night. And you can place them on your skin. You can place them on locations of skin irritation, cuts and burns. I've had great results with using the ALAVIDA patches along with the X39 patches on burns and cuts. And I, for one, scar, I usually keloid a white scar when I have a burn or a cut. When I started using these two patches in conjunction with each other on my burns and cuts, and now I don't have any scar afterwards. So they're beautiful for those applications. The ALAVIDA also helps with oxidative stress, and it increases antioxidants, so it also activates the pineal gland. So there's many benefits with the ALAVIDA, and I highly recommend it for anyone who's looking for a skincare system, who wants better skin. I personally have noticed more hydrated skin, more plumper skin, less wrinkles.
Where do you recommend applying the patch?
Based on studies by the company, there's two recommended sites. One is on the back of the neck, C7, which is normally a little bump that you feel on the back of the neck. Most people have it. It's right there. The other location is just below the belly button. These two locations are acupuncture points and have shown great benefits in wearing those two locations. However, you can place it anywhere.